Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is machine learning is all about. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. By the way guys, as of December 2, 2023, we have now 5,719 subscribers in my channel. Thank you so much for your support. Without you guys, this channel would not be able to reach that milestone. Okay, so let's go back. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence or AI that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions without explicit programming. The primary goal of machine learning is to allow computers to automatically learn and improve their performance on a specific task as they are exposed to more data. There are three main types of machine learning. Number one, supervised learning. In supervised learning, the algorithm is trained on a labeled dataset where the input data is paired with corresponding output labels. The goal is for the algorithm to learn a mapping from inputs to outputs, so it can be make predictions or classifications on new and seen data. Number two, unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning involves training the algorithm on an unlabeled dataset and the system tries to find patterns, relationships, or structures within the data. Clustering and dimensionality reduction are common tasks in unsupervised learning. Number three, reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning involves training a model to make sequences of decisions by interacting with an environment. The model receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties based on the actions it takes, and the goal is to learn a strategy that maximizes cumulative rewards over time. Machine learning algorithms can be applied to a wide range of tasks, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, autonomous vehicles, and more. The success of machine learning relies on the quality and quantity of the data used for training, the choice of algorithms, and careful tuning of parameters. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is machine learning is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.